Hello, good afternoon. Thanks for tuning in. This is Calcine TV's top ASX buzzing stocks for the day. And today we'll be looking at 5 ASX listed stocks in the news on the back of some key announcements. Starting with the integrated service company Downer EDI, which has announced its subsidiary Spotless Facility Services has been given a contract to provide maintenance services across the South Australian Housing Authority social portfolio in the Adelaide metropolitan area. The contract is valued at nearly $630 million over a 7.5-year period, with Downer scheduled to commence work from January of 2023. The company will deliver reactive maintenance, vacant restoration, and minor work projects to 27,000 social and public housing dwellings. And today, Downer EDI shares traded at $4.85, down by around 0.82%. Next up, the Australian gold miner Newcrest Mining has notified exploration company Antipa Minerals of its intention to exercise its top-up right to maintain its 9.9 shareholdings. Antipa will issue an additional around 36.7 million fully paid ordinary shares at 2.7 cents per share in order to raise a further $1 million. The total funds raised under the placement and top-up placement will be in the range of around 10 million, accelerating exploration, appraisal and pre-feasibility study activities at the Minyari Dome Gold Project. Newcrest has also indicated that its intention to exercise its top-up right following the completion of Antipa's recently announced share purchase plan of up to $3 million. And responding to the news today, Newcrest Mining shares traded at $16.77, down around 1.93%. And then also today, Australia's leading healthcare company, Healius, has announced that the chair of the board, Robert Hubbard, has decided to step down due to health reasons. The board has unanimously elected Jenny McDonald as successor, effective September 19. Hubbard originally joined the board of Healius in December of 2014, and he was chair of the audit committee between 2015 and 2018, before being appointed chair of the board in July of that year. And today, Healius shares trading at $3.48, up around 0.29%. Meanwhile, West Australian lithium company Global Lithium Resources has announced results from its second round of preliminary metallurgical test work carried out on the diamond core samples from the Marble Lithium project in the Pilbara region of WA. Results include 5.76% lithium oxide spodumene concentrates at a very high lithium recoveries, up to 85%. Further metallurgical testing work will be carried out at the project to optimize the flow sheet and improve the concentrate grade. And today, Global Lithium Resources shares traded at $2.78, down over 5% at the opening of the ASX. And also in the news, investment management company Vanguard Investments Australia has announced the final distribution amount and timetable for its Vanguard All-World ex-US Shares Index ETF. The product provides exposure to many of the world's largest companies listed in major and developed emerging countries outside of the United States. The final distribution amount is 26.13 cents, and the ex-distribution date is marked at September 20 this year, with a record date September 21, foreign exchange date of October 12th, and the payment date is set for October 18 this year. Shareholders must be registered as a holder of CHESS depository interest of the respective Vanguard ETF on the record date to be eligible for this distribution. And the distribution is announced in US dollars, although Australian CDI holders will receive their distribution in Aussie dollars. And the distribution reinvestment is currently not available for this ETF. And today, Vanguard All-World ex-US Shares Index ETF shares traded at $72.27, down around 0.3%. And that is a wrap today on this edition of the top ASX buzzing stocks for the day. Another episode coming your way there on Monday, so do stay tuned. Holly Shields here for Calcine TV.